Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this pencil effect or pencil edit, photo edit on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe, and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a pencil filter effect? This is the app. You just download Polish photo editor app from the Play Store and just open the application. Just select the image that you just need to edit. After selecting the image, you just need to click on the effect option here. Click on the AI cartoon. Now you just pinch and resize and fix the image to the box like this. Then you just need to click on the OK option. Now you will see a lot of filter. Just swipe on the right side, you will see this pencil filter on the last section, and just click on this pencil filter to apply the filter effect. So now AI cartoon is automatically applying the filter effect to my image, and you can see the image is changes to the pencil effect. This is how you just create the pencil effect on this application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.